My name is Madhav Garg. I'm from California. My presentation is pendulum painting. What is pendulum painting? Pendulum painting is a fun way to create art using science. A cup filled with paint swings back and forth, making beautiful patterns. The paint drips as the cup moves, creating cool designs. This is a pendulum painting in action. Isn't it cool? How I made it. First, I poked a small hole at the bottom of the cup. Then, I tied a string around the cup to hang it. Next, I filled the cup with paint and taped the hole. After that, I placed the big paper under the cup. Finally, I released the paint by removing the tape and swung the cup gently. I kept watching as the paint created amazing patterns. The science behind it. The cup moves in a swinging motion called a pendulum. Gravity pulls the cup down and it keeps moving in circles or ovals. The paint follows the swinging path, creating beautiful shapes. What I learned: science and art can work together. Different swings make different designs. Changing the paint's color makes the painting more fun. Thank you for listening to my presentation.